Jai Hind, dear defense aspirants. It is very important to have the OLQs and at least have the knowledge about it, because आप सबको पता है कि there are 15 officer-like qualities divided into various factors like heart, mind, which are tested while you undergo your SSB assessment in your SSB interview. याद रखिएगा कि ये वो क्वालिटीज़ हैं जो डेवलप होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है। सिर्फ जान के इनको डेवलप करना, या आप सोचो कि अगर आप इनको सुन के वहाँ पे पोर्ट्रे कर दोगे आपके पास हैं, तो ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है। क्या 15 की 15 OLQs होनी चाहिए? अगर 14 हैं, एक नहीं है, तो क्या सिलेक्शन होगा? नहीं होगा। आप एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे समझिए, इफ़ यू हैव 14 OLQs बट इफ़ यू डोंट हैव द करेज इज़ ऑल्सो एन OLQ, सो यू आर नॉट फिट. Again, you have everything but you don't have effective intelligence. You have other 14 officer like qualities but you don't have the ability to influence the group, so you will not be fit. Let us see what are those OLQs. First, this I have told you. Factor 1, mind. Effective intelligence, reasoning ability, organizing ability, power of expression. So effective intelligence, to know how to use your knowledge in a certain given situation. Then reasoning ability, the logic which you follow when doing something or avoiding something. Organizing ability, how well can you plan and organize in a limited manner in a pressure situation. उसके बाद power of expression, it is how well you speak both verbally and non-verbally. Next comes heart, social adaptability, cooperation and sense of responsibility. आप पता है कि you people come from various different backgrounds, different socio-economic backgrounds, but in फौज you all are one, आप सब एक हैं, तो वहाँ पे ये cooperation, आप किस तरीके से दूसरों के साथ मिल के अच्छे से काम करते हो without making anyone feel inferior. Then comes sense of responsibility, how much your mind works in taking responsibility. Do you avoid it or do you take it? And if you take it, how well you perform and how well you do justice with that. Next, guts, initiative. Initiative, it is to start something. When everyone is hesitant to start, you take the lead, you take the charge and you start. That is initiative. Next comes self-confidence. Everyone remains in a doubt how well you are confident, and confidence comes from preparation, good preparation. So self-confidence is अपने ऊपर पे भरोसा. Next is speed of decision. Not always taking the decision quickly, but the needed time, within the needed time, if you are taking the decision, that is called as speed of decision. Ability to influence the group, very, very important quality. Now remember, Battle of Longewala, 3rd December 1971. 100 of Jawan in front of a tank regiment, or you can say a tank Paltan with a lot many more Jawans. And at that point of time, Major Kuldeep Singh Chandpuri motivated his troops, influenced them that they can win. He made them believe that they can win. Next comes liveliness. How do you perform under immense pressure? How well you can control your nerves? How well you can control your nervousness? That is liveliness, zinda dili. Next comes limbs, determination, courage and stamina. Determination, even while getting failures in doing your goal, how much you are determined, how well you are preparing. Then courage, everyone knows that to understand that yes, there is a tough situation, I might fail, but still you take the courage, you take the initiative and then you work. That is courage. Next is stamina. So stamina here means both physical as well as mental stamina. So that was all about 15 OLQs. And now the question comes, how to develop. First thing, there is no shortcut. Let me be very honest, there is no shortcut that you can develop OLQs in a quick manner. But yes, regular practice, studying, and after that taking feedback from your mentors will make you develop these qualities. So first thing is be organized. Second thing is have clear opinions. Third is physical and mental strength, and discipline. Discipline is very, very important. The more you study, the more you know. Then the more you apply, the more you develop the application of your knowledge that makes you confident. Always stay in touch with good people and they can help you in developing that. And if you want to do it with us, you can join us and you can prepare well for your OLQs and we can help you in developing those 15 OLQs. Thank you so much. All the best. Jai Hind.